this silky body scrub with only 2 ingredients, and it's better than any other body scrub I've ever bought, and I'm not joking. If you want to make your own, take 2 parts sugar to 1 part coconut oil and put that in a blender or a food processor. This makes the sugar super fine and not as chunky and harsh on the skin. This part's optional, but if you want to zhuzh it up a bit, you can put in some essential oils. I went for a more florally, citrusy scent. Once that's all mixed up, you can put it in a mason jar or another storage container, but just be careful if you're keeping glass in your bathroom. Also, I wouldn't use this on my face, but it's great for the rest of the body. I love it on my elbows, my legs, my feet, my hands, and it's super exfoliating and moisturizing. It's seriously a competitor with other store-bought scrubs, and I'm never gonna buy a scrub again knowing how easy and cheap this is to make. I'm super happy with it. Let me know if you make it and what you think.